Hi everyone, this is Regina. I am an online digital business owner and I am earning income online. So this is what I do for a living. Today, this is my 12 days of my 90-day real challenge. And in this challenge, I'm going to answer the question, can this business adapt to my lifestyle? And the answer is yes. In fact, I have loved this business because now I can schedule my own time. I can do this business in the comfort of my home. I don't have to rush and I don't have to also follow other people's schedule. I am now planning and doing my own schedule. So this is the best thing of being an online digital business owner. You can plan your own time and you can plan your own activities. So now I am basically prioritizing my family. I'm prioritizing what I love to do instead of other people telling me what to do. And that is just an amazing feeling of having that control of your time freedom and a control of your decision making so that you can plan what is really important to you. I can now do on vacation if I want to. I can travel internationally if I wanted to. And the best thing is I now prioritizing precious family time. I'm always with my family now. Although sometimes I still go out and do a pickup for my other work, but the good thing is it is now on my own decisions. So this is it. This business can really fit on your lifestyle and you can do your own planning. So sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com. Bye for now.